Okay, people, we are days away from the launch of our Studio 5 Go for the Gold box drop. We will be hiding 10 golden boxes in communities across the state and sharing just one social media photo clue each day. The first person to find the box wins the box. Yesterday, you'll remember, we announced 10 lucky cities that we'll be visiting in the coming weeks. We'll do a quick review here. We are excited to say hello to the folks in St. George, Draper, Bountiful, Ogden, West Jordan, Logan, Lehigh, West Valley, Provo, and Salt Lake City. And of course, you can travel to play if you live in those surrounding areas too. Well, today we build on that excitement with another announcement. These golden boxes are just as golden on the inside. So here is the official unboxing. It's a look at the prizes you'll be hunting for. Okay, did you catch all of that gold swag? Let's review if we can. It went kind of fast and there's a lot loaded in there. Inside each box, we have the Golden Bar necklace from our favorite designer, one of our favorite designers, Made by Mary, the Golden State of Mind eyeshadow palette from ColourPop, Viva La Juicy Gold Couture perfume, Ulta face sculpting stick in gold dust, of course. There's the matte metallic liquid lipstick, also from Ulta. In there, you'll see a $25 gift card to our favorite sandwich shop, Jimmy John's, a $50 Visa gift card that you can use to your liking. There's the Clayton texture wallet from Called to Surf, Kevin Murphy Shimmer and Shine hair products, and of course a Hershey's golden chocolate bar tucked in there too. A little chocolate always has to be included. There's a clipboard from American Crafts and a pair of VIP tickets to join us backstage on the set of Studio 5. Whoa, did we promise they were loaded or what? In total, each box is valued at about $250. So here's how it goes moving forward. Keep an eye on our social media pages for more updates in the coming days. We are so excited to get things started. Just 4 more days actually until you can go for the gold. Social media is where you'll find most of the details. So follow us there on Facebook and Instagram.